Yeah, good afternoon everyone. Welcome to today's feed. Thank you for bringing the sun with you. First time I haven't been wet in 3 days. My name's Gil. This little show's put on by the San Remo Fish Co-op. Wild animals don't recognise small children as such, so parents and guardians, please keep an eye on your little ones. As mentioned, wild animals, they're messy eaters. They may look like they're choking, but we haven't lost one in 50 years. So please don't ring up the wildlife and say there's a choking pelican. Made completely of stuff. The guy picked up from beaches in Tasmania. One bit of new stuff. That's all rubbish. There's a lot braver than me. I'd have trouble going on back straight on the Right, so now we're here for the welfare of the pelicans. Oh, good. That one's actually a rescue pelican. These guys breed in Port Phillip Bay on Mud Island. The female usually lays 2 eggs, one just as a backup.
And they just
Takes a month for the eggs to hatch. And then